Hey crew, welcome to San Diego. I am with my good friend Adam today. We actually met on Instagram, I don't know, 2 years ago. And I asked him if he'd take me flying, and he said yes, and now we're buddies. So that's what we're gonna go do today, do some aerobatics. I've never been upside down in an airplane on purpose, once on accident. That's a story for another day though. So we're gonna go do some aerobatics. Should be fun.
Go do some stalls, spins. He's gonna have to pick his own parachute. Maybe he's skydiving out of it. We'll see what happens.
I go skydiving. Let's do it. All right, we just rolled back in. That was super sick. Fortunately, I did not get sick, but we pulled some sweet G's and went upside down, and it was pretty fun. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys next week.